Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Minecraft can't connect to server. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on where internet icon over here and select network and internet setting. Go to proxy and make sure it is turned on automatically detect settings. After that just close stuff here. Now go to search menu and type view network connection. Click on open it. You just need to right click on where internet connection you are using. In my case I am using Ethernet. And select properties, select internet protocol version 4 and select properties, select use the following DNS server addresses and type here 8888. In alternative DNS server type 8844. Click on this check mark validate settings upon exits and select OK option. And now just to close stuff here, wait for this to done. Now you just need to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can play the Minecraft without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.